Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long is a Paysafe card valid? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. But before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what a Paysafe card is. Paysafe cards are prepaid debit cards that can be used to make online purchases. They are a great way to keep your financial information safe, as they are not linked to your bank account. Paysafe cards are also a great way to budget your spending. You can only spend the amount of money that you put on the card, so you don't have to worry about overspending. How long is a Paysafe card valid? Now that we know what a Paysafe card is, let's get to the question of how long is it valid. The answer to this question depends on the type of Paysafe card you have. There are two main types of Paysafe cards: standard Paysafe cards and e-vouchers. Standard Paysafe cards are valid for 12 months from the date of purchase. E-vouchers are valid for 12 months from the date of activation. If you have a standard Paysafe card, you can check the expiration date on the back of the card. If you have an e-voucher, you can check the expiration date in your email confirmation. How to extend the validity of your Paysafe card. If your Paysafe card is about to expire, you can extend its validity by recharging it. You can recharge your Paysafe card online or at a retailer. Once you have recharged your Paysafe card, it will be valid for another 12 months. How to use a Paysafe card. Now that we know how long a Paysafe card is valid, let's talk about how to use it. Using a Paysafe card is easy. Just follow these steps. Go to the website or app where you want to make a purchase. Enter your Paysafe card number and PIN. Click the Submit button. Your payment will be processed. You can use your Paysafe card to make purchases online, over the phone, or in person. Where to buy a Paysafe card? You can buy Paysafe cards at a variety of retailers, including grocery stores, gas stations, and convenience stores. You can also buy Paysafe cards online. I hope this blog post has answered your question about how long is a Paysafe card valid. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also like to add that it is important to keep your Paysafe card safe. Do not share your Paysafe card number with anyone, and do not write down your PIN. If you lose your Paysafe card, you can contact Paysafe customer service to report it lost or stolen. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.